crazy. You guys, I'm bringing you guys another one, another banger, guys. This is another crazy strategy. You guys don't want to miss this strategy, guys. You guys don't want to miss this strategy. Now, if you are not a subscriber, if you have not turned on your notification bell on this channel, you are not doing yourself good, guys, because I'm committed. I am dedicated to bringing you guys powerful strategies, guys. Look at this one. Look at this one, guys. This would have been a nice entry. I missed it though. I missed it. This would have been a nice entry. I would have entered immediately after price broke this moving average right here. Soon as price crossed below this moving average right here, it would have been a nice entry. So I'm just going to wait for another opportunity. All right, but before then, guys, I'm going to show you guys the setup. This strategy is very powerful. And it can actually help you guys maximize your profits. All right, it can help you guys maximize your profit. So how are we going to, this is for boom market, this is the boom and crash market, but for the sake of this video, we are using the boom 1000 market right now, and you have to be selling. Now remember that you are going to be selling at a key resistance zone, and you have to be buying the crash market at a key support zone. Okay, for you to be able to catch spikes using this strategy, you're going to do the opposite of what I just explained. Now, if you want to catch spikes, you want to be buying at the key support level. This is for boom. You're going to be buying the boom market at the key support level, and you're going to be selling the crash market at the key resistance level. Please listen to that carefully. All right, but for the sake of this video, we are scalping, right? Imagine I had taken an entry right here, guys, right here. Imagine I had taken an entry right here, guys. Now count how many candlesticks we have there after the closing of this guy, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and counting, guys. 11 and counting. All right, so these are very simple strategies that will help you make money off the market if you don't know how to analyze the market using price action. But I implore you to learn how to analyze the market using price action strategy. It is the ultimate strategy. It is a strategy that gives you confidence, that makes you feel like a trader, that makes you feel like it's actually you adding value to yourself, guys. You can actually teach somebody and get paid. You can actually I definitely won't teach anybody this and get money, right? This is actually something that I'm showing you guys for free because I know it's going to help you make money, right? But if I collect money from you to teach you, I'll be teaching you how to analyze the market without this, right? Such that when you are now using this, you are using it to confirm what you already know, right? What I have already taught you, what you have already seen in the market. And this would help you confirm that what you know is actually what indicators are saying. All right, but before that aside, let's get straight to this. I'm going to show you guys the settings of these indicators right now. You can see we have the moving average on our main window. All right, we have three indicators on the indicator window one. So let's go straight to adding the setup for the moving average on the main window. We have period 15, we have shift 0, we have method exponential, apply to close. Levels are not needed right here, so you're just going to leave that aside. And then leave that without any levels. Don't put any levels there. All right, and then for visualization, you have all time frames, so you leave it at all time frames. And then for style, use the red color, please. Just follow the same colors that I'm using right here, especially if you're using the white background. Okay, if you're using the white background, make sure you use colors that are visible on your chart. All right, so you click done and you have the that was a spike, but I would have left the market with just 10 candlesticks. All right. Now you have the main chart, you have the indicator on the main chart. All right, you have the indicator on the main chart, and then what we have to do next is put the indicators on the indicator window one. So the first one you're going to be adding is the moving average of oscillator, guys, with the following properties: fast EMA 12, slow EMA 26, MACD SMA 9, apply to close. Levels are not needed, so we leave that empty. And visualization, leave it at all time frames. And for style, you can use black if you're using the white background, and you can use white if you're using the black background for your color. Okay, and then the next thing you want to do is click done, and you have the moving average of oscillator on your chart. All right, and then the next one I want to be adding is the relative strength index with the following properties. Period 1 apply to close levels 90 and 10. Now if you're using the white background, please use the black color here, all right, for styling. And then if you're using the black background, use the white color here for the styling. Okay, you click done, and you're good. And then for this other side, please ensure that you're using the same color as the background of your chart. You don't want to see it appear on your chart. You don't want to see this side appear on your chart. All right, so I'm using white background. That's why I'm using the white color. All right, that's why I'm using the white color. So you click done, and you have it on your chart. All right, you have it on your chart. And then the next one is going to be the moving average, the normal moving average. Now we are going to be using the period of 5 this time around. Shift 0 method, exponential, apply to close, and then no levels needed. Visualization is going to be on all time frames. And then for styling, you can use the same color as what I'm using, or you can decide to use your own colors, but make sure it is visible on your chart. Okay, make sure it is visible on your chart. All right, you done with that, you just click done, and we have the setup already. Now I couldn't take that trade because it was already gone. All right, it was far gone. I don't like to take risks. You see, if I had taken it late, I would have been caught out with this spike. All right, now let me tell you something. If you ever take a trade like this and then it spikes it spikes above, for a boom market, of course, if it spikes above the previous high, guys, you can leave the market, please. All right, you can leave the market, right? But if it spikes and doesn't spike up to the level where the other high is, all right, the previous high is, then it can stay strong and just hold on to the market, because most likely it's going to go your direction. All right, so now this thing is very important for you to know. Price action is very important for you to know, but in case you don't know price action, you can still maximize this to make profits. All right, but first of all, ensure that the market is in your direction. Okay, ensure that you go to a higher time frame and you see that the market is actually going to the up to the downside. This is for scalpers, people who just want to catch a couple of candlesticks and leave the market. Ensure that the market is in your direction, is going to the downside, and then allow for the candlestick to break below this moving average. Okay, allow for the candlestick to break below this moving average, and as soon as one candlestick closes below this moving average, and then come to your indicator window, and ensure also that your indicators, your moving average of oscillator is around here level, around this level, the overbought region. Sorry, the overbought region. Make sure it is at this region, and then make sure there is a crossing. Make sure there is a crossing of the candlesticks below the red line here, which is the moving average line here, and then you can place your sell. Now let me show you guys example of this. This actually happened here. This is what prompted this sell, guys. It happened. Price came to that region, and then there was a crossing here. All right, price closed below that region, and then it prompted this sell before the spike that you guys witness here. All right, but before then, you would have been out of the market with at least 10 candlesticks. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 candlesticks printed, 13 candlesticks printed before the spikes. But I like to ask you guys to just leave with just 10 candlesticks and you're out of the market, so that you can be on the safe side. All right, this is another example. It happened again here. This is a clear example of what I just explained. You see, the market got to this level, the indicators converged around this region, and then price closed below the moving average on the main chart, and then boom, you can see all of the candlesticks that were printed in the market before the spike. All right, so this happens most of the time. This happens most of the time. You can see it happens again and again. All right, you can see it happens again and again. This is another example. This is another example. All right, this is another example. Price came to this region, and then price goes below, and then there is that sorry, there is this much candlesticks before any spike, guys. So this happens again and again, so please ensure that you follow this. I like to advise that you use your demo account first. Ensure that you understand how this works. Ensure that you are comfortable with the you can see here, ensure that you are comfortable with the success rate that it registers on your demo, and then go ahead and make a lot of money for yourself, guys. Excuse me. Go ahead and make a lot of money for yourself. Please, I will be leaving my WhatsApp number in the description box of this video, so you can reach out if you have challenges. If you want to be a part of my team, we milk the market every single day. There is no day that passes that we don't make profit out of the market, guys. Trust me. There's no day that passes that we don't make profit out of the market. So you want to be a part of that team, my WhatsApp number will be in the description of this video. My fees are quite affordable because I know the struggle, guys. I started really little, right? I started really little, so I know the struggle. I try to make my services very affordable, and I try to carry everybody along. So reach out, guys. I'll also be leaving the free Telegram group link on the description of this video also, so that you can be a part of the over 1,400 members on there that are benefiting from the free information, free valuable information that we share on there, guys. I need you guys to be on that side with me, so just click that link and join in, guys. We'll see you again in the next video.